Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are gonna see how to apply a visit visa to Montenegro. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Government of Montenegro site where there is a section about embassies and consulates of Montenegro and visa regimes for foreign citizens. So if so you need to click based on your nationality, what you are. For example, if I click on uh, India, what do I see? Nationals of India are required to obtain a visa to enter Montenegro. Visas may be obtained from diplomatic and consular post of Montenegro. If you are unable to reach a diplomatic or consular post of Montenegro, you may apply visa for a visa at the nearest diplomatic and consular post of Republic of Serbia. So if you are in India, because like Montenegro does not have an embassy in India, but you can apply at the Embassy of Republic of Serbia in New Delhi. They have given the information. And relevant. Okay, fine. Now what next? So here I have opened like visa application form. If you download, this is the form. So we have for this place is for photograph. Okay, given name. Okay, given name of father, first surname, and then given name of father. It's written in English as well, so be careful. Father and mother, okay. Date of birth, place or country of birth, current nationality, that's fine. Situation, the family, like if you're single, put single, married, put married, whatever it is. Type of passport, or enter select because based on that. Number of passport issued by, valid, main destination, type of visa. These are pretty simple, so you don't need to worry about uh, that. Place and date, a signature also panel you have. Okay. To the document checklist that you should do. So in on their official website, they have given like what you need: travel document, photo proof of purpose of stay, proof of insured accommodation, professional means of sustenance, proof of means of travel, health insurance, consular fee, documents, and some other based on your case. So that you need to provide. This embassy of Serbia, because if you're from India, you need to apply. That's why it's very important you check the location specific. So I've gone to consular services fee section. So Montenegro visa fee, they have given visa BCD is like 10,600 Indian rupees, equivalent to 120 euros, and 2 euros each visa sticker charges. Okay, granted by, and how you got to pay. Okay, so this they have given. Application form, if we go, okay, so this is Serbia, they have given, that's fine. Montenegro form, I have already shown you, and fee also I have given you, and document checklist also you saw. You can contact them and book your appointment. I showed you what fee and what documents and other things you need to provide. And then if granted, you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.